Mya Go is looking through Mama and Dada Go's grown-up bookcase.
Mama, Dada, you must be very clever to have read all these big books.
Well, maybe we haven't quite got around to reading all of them.
What's this?
It looks like a kid's book. It's quite old, though.
And dusty. It's about birds. It's a library book. What's wrong, Dada?
Now I remember. I borrowed the book from the library.
When?
About 28 years ago.
You're only supposed to keep them for a week.
Should we return it?
Well, I'm sure they won't miss one book.
Dada Go.
Mya and Dada Go are bringing the book back to the library.
I love the library. So many exciting stories in one place.
I like it too. It's the most relaxing, peaceful place in every day.
Well, this doesn't look relaxing or peaceful at all. Poor Edward Reed is a bit frazzled.
Please, please, one at a time.
Are you okay, Edward?
Oh, hello. Not really. My assistant librarian has a day off today, so I'm all alone. There are books to sort, library cards to issue, people to shush.
Maybe I can help. It would be fun to be a librarian.
Oh, yes, please, Mya. That's so kind of you. Right. First things first. Are you returning this book, Dada Go?
Well, yes, but, you see, it's,
My goodness. This was due back in 1988.
Yes. Sorry about that.
Well, not to worry. Better late than never, I say. Now then, Mya, are you ready to be a librarian?
Yes!
Then let's go. We've got work to do.
Mya Go and Edward Reed are helping everyone in the library queue to find the books they're looking for.
Yar. My whole life I've been desperately searching for a good book about being a sea captain, but it's always escaped me. Any recommendations?
Well, Moby Dick is supposed to be good.
Finally, after all these years, I've got my hands on you. Thanks.
I'm planning a long car journey, and I need to know the way. Where are the maps?
Would they be in the travel section, Edward?
Excellent, Mya. That's exactly where they are.
Okay, follow this shelf all the way down. Then go left, then it's straight on for 2 bookcases. If you see the poetry section, you've gone too far.
Perfect. Thank you, Mya.
Mya Go every day. Mya Go, let's play. Mya